So Tom, you know the money good, right?
I know the money from me. They can't trick me now. I know I'm good now. I've been here a minute now, so I know.
This is all 100% residential area.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You're telling us it's all residential. Yeah. Wow. So you come over here and decide a lot.
Yes, we do every day. Yes, we do.
Yeah. Gotcha. Nice.
This is the golf state. It's
Yes.
a golf club. One of the oldest golf club in Dubai.
Oh.
And this side we have Palm Jumeirah and Atlantis and stuff.
Yes, Palm Jumeirah. That's what I'm going. I'm going there. I have a dinner. I'm a reservation over there.
Yeah, that's
Palm Jumeirah.
nice
Yeah.
place.
Nice place. I seen it.
All on the sea, basically.
And what's your name, brother?
Asad. A-S-A-D.
Oh, Assad.
Yes.
Assad.
Yes.
All right. All right.
So the people who love
Yeah.
golf,
Yeah.
we have golf villas
Oh.
near to the golf.
Okay. That's nice.
This is the TCOM area.
Yes.
All telecommunication related companies in this area.
Okay.
On the left side we have Media City.
Yeah,
All
Microsoft.
the media related
Yeah.
companies are here. We have CNN, BBC, Mushe, all other
Oh, wow.
TV
CNN?
channels. Everything is
Over that side?
Yes, over that
Okay.
side. So people, that Dubai distribute everything in a particular place. So if you looking something for the sporty,
Yeah.
you have to go to the Sport City.
Yes.
We have Sport
Oh,
City.
wow.
Like if you need something related to knowledge,
Yes.
we have Knowledge Village. We have university campus, small campus,
Yes.
colleges, schools
Yes.
in Knowledge Village.
Okay.
Telecommunication, TCOM. Media City, media related stuff.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, y'all got everything like
It's organized.
Organized. Yes.
Well organized.
business central.
Rules are
hours.
very strict here.
I know.
Very, very strict.
Yes.
So that's why people is going on a proper, the country is going
No.
on a proper level.
I love that.
Yes.
I know y'all very strict here.
Very strict.
Yeah. We love it, and the people in them is very nice.
Yes, that's true.
It's like everybody is one.
Yes.
You know, no matter what country you come from,
Yes.
but everybody is one.
Yes.
And they just loves it here. We love it here. Because everybody that we met,
Yes.
basically all of them was from Pakistan.
I'm from Pakistan. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We do have a lot of people from
Pakistan.
India, Bangladesh.
Yeah.
So you will not see anyone from local. Because the local people don't work.
They don't work?
That is the fact, yes. They
I was
don't
just
work.
hold on. I was just about to ask you. I said, are we going to see somebody that's from Dubai itself? No. And you said they don't. Local people don't work.
No, you will see them only in the immigration.
Yeah.
If you had any issue in police station,
Yeah.
and RTA, Road and Transport Authority, it belongs to RTA.
Yeah.
Immigration, that's it.
Oh.
They don't work in the all private companies. We have 90% private companies, 10% are local companies. It's all 90%. One guy will be Emirati.
Oh.
Rest all Pakistan, India, Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Japan.
Why is that?
Yeah. Why is that? Why they don't work?
They don't work because they have already jobs from the government side. So they don't want to work in a private sector.
Okay.
The government sector, a private sector is paying them, just say that 10,000 dirham per month. The government sector paying them 25,000 per month.
Oh.
So they never work with the government private sector.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how would you become a citizen of Dubai?
Okay, so
Yeah.
there is no way to get the passport.
Yeah.
We have a card.
Yes.
You can say that a citizen card, which is valid only for 2 years.
Oh,
So
wow.
every 2 years we have to renew it.
Wow.
Yes. So even you born here, you will not get the passport.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you just always have to renew it.
Yeah. You
Oh,
just
no.
renew your ID. That's it.
Okay.
Wow.
And the passport,
Yeah.
where I am exactly from,
Yeah.
the same passport I will get.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Here in Dubai, I cannot open without a local.
Wow.
Really?
He must be my 51% partner.
Wow.
Why?
Yeah. This
Oh,
is the rule.
because oh, so this is a rule.
It's a rule.
Yeah.
So we are paying him every year. That's why they don't work.
Yeah, that's right. It makes sense now.
Makes sense, right?
Yes.
They have money a lot.
Yeah.
So where they will spend? House.
Yes.
They don't need to pay the rent.
Yes.
Only
Wow.
food, eat, and education. And this is the fact that every local own more than 20, 30 properties.
Wow, they're rich.
They're rich.
Yeah, super rich.
He's a super.
Wow.
Okay.
So, question.
Yeah.
Who decides which local takes on which business? Like, you just have to just know them, or?
So this is usually how it's happened. Like, just say you are a new people. You came to this country and you just met with me, and you said that, okay, Asad, I want to open a business. Do you have anyone local I can avail for my
Yes.
Business?
So my recommendation will be few of them. So yes.
How many local people do you guys have? How many
Yeah.
local people are there?
There are only like 1 million.
Okay.
From
And
23 million, only 1 million.
that's local.
That's local.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, what do you consider local? What do you guys consider a person that's a local? What is
Local
that?
mean a guy who have the UAE passport.
Wow.
UAE
Because,
passport.
like we said,
And
they don't give them
They
out.
don't give it out. They don't give out the passport.
No.
Even so that means
That means the people, they are here from 2 years back.
And it's passed on from generation to generation?
Yes, of course.
oh
If I am a local
yeah
and I'm getting married to a girl from US or Egypt, Morocco, anywhere,
yeah.
she will not get the passport.
Wow.
She needs to survive with him 10 years.
Wow.
After 10 years, she will get the passport.
Wow.
I'm a small guy. I like my small. Yeah.
Ooh. Guys, this is pretty. Wow. I was one to see. Individuals one.
What are those?
How many? No, I'm just
What is that?
I like souvenirs.
You do YouTube. You don't mind going on here? Okay. Thank you. Whip that blood not down.
Come on, husband.
Family, how are you looking over here, family? No? When you come to, you know, you gotta do the tradition, you know how it is already, family. So family, finally out here, you know, the main attraction. Gotta go, you come to Dubai, you gotta come out to the desert, you know? And we got the famous tour guy here. If you ever come to Dubai, who they gonna ask for? He look, he ran. So we're gonna do this right now. We're gonna do the buggy. What's up, brother? How you doing? All right. We're gonna open desert. We're gonna push that.
guys, we're about to ride the camel. Just sit.
Wait.
Oh, wait for it.
Come on, this one?
You go separate? One camel. One camel?
Yeah, one camel. So, honey, you go in the front?
One front, one back.
Kind of scary.
Come on!
What is this?
Right, this. You sit in front, you go back.
Okay, hold on.
Hold tight. Hold
Tight?
tight. Hold
Oh,
tight.
you want to leave the bag?
Here. Where are you holding? Here.
Shot right now.
Big shot. So we on the camel ride.
Oh my goodness.
We're outside.
Drop the bug, please.
Hey.
It's my birthday.
Hey.
My hubby took me for my birthday. I'm in Dubai for my birthday. It's beautiful, guys. Wow, sir!
Oh, that's what got it right. That's the ride. That's the fun about it now.
You wasn't driving like this on the highway.
This is what they do now. This is the ride.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Hey. Oh shucks. Oh no, family. Oh.
This is the Woo! Ow!
You saw that say?
Yes! Yo!
Wow. Stop. Very top.
Very windy out here, guys.
Yeah.
We had
It was
fun.
a blast. It was amazing.
So we got a coconut water, and then they're chopping it up for us. And
Chop it
so
up.
what they do is they let the pressure out of the tire, so that when we're driving on the sand, it doesn't tip over. And then when they come back, they put the air back in. Simple.
Thank you. Thank you.